Introduction. The machine frame adopts Q235 high-quality steel, HT200 sliding wall board, strong and beautiful. Pressure spools and drive shaft are made by seamless steel tube welding, heat treatment, fine grinding. Main parts are polishing, chromium plating process. Transmission bearings are probe bearings from Harbin. Adopts tungsten steel alloy thin blade knife. Sharp and the surface life can be more than 800 millimeters. Using France modern technology, beautiful, easy discount, no tear and wrinkles. Adopts remember meters sharpening and manual sharpening. Keep the blade sharp and work efficiency. Appliances are all from the factories which are famous for their best qualities. Specifications. 3 types according to the passing paper width: 1800, 2200, 2500. According to processing size: 4 knife 6 lines, 5 knife 8 lines, 6 knife 10 lines, 7 knife 12 lines. Optional: electric blade adjustment, paper side absorb waste. Installing items: use forklift or crane, which can carry more than equipment tonnage to load and unload. Level rectified: make the machine level condition, fix the airframe, demolish fixation on both sides. Open the cabinet, access the power, 380 volt, 10% also, in 50 Hz, 3 phase, 4 lines. Open side door, access gases, air requirement, 0.4 to 0.8 MPa, gas pipeline, 8. Set up independent grounding pile, grounding resistance less than 4 ohms, connected with the body space. Size adjustment. Track pressing width. First, you can adjust the creasing distance by adjusting the screw. Adjust the hand wheel not too hard, less damaged gear. Paper cutting knives high-low adjustment. Loosen the 2 screws. Rotate the 6-party conditioning nut above. Distance between blade and support is about 3 to 4 mm. Put the idle carry to peak. Less sword, blade damage. Paper cutting knives left-right adjustment. Loosen the 2 screws to adjust the paper position. Electric blade adjustment. First determine pneumatic enough. Click the button to change direction, then loosen buttons. It can lock automatically tightly. Sharpening grinding wheel. Sharpening grinding wheel can adjust up and down also. Wheel and the distance between the blade make the grinding wheel to make knife best effect. Sock waist adjustment. Click the button to adjust the proper position. The panel functions. the longitudinal cutting menu, Start or Stop. Choose whether the longitudinal cutting operation according to demand, Start to Run. Manual or Automatic. We can adjust the longitudinal cutting rotation speed or automatic speed. Adjustment rotating speed by computer. Knob. In Manual Control, we can use knob to adjust running speed. Right is acceleration, left is slowing down. Pressing menu, Start or Stop. You can choose operation or not. Start for operation. Manual or Automatic. You can choose manual or automatic mode to adjust the rotating speed. Knob. When setting for manual, right for acceleration, left for slowing down. Deviation correcting menu. Use it to regulate the deviation. You can press right button to lift sliding wallboard height, left or right button to adjust to the right position. Sharpening menu. Paper cutting after a period of time, it can appear frayed. You need to sharpen the knife. Manual mode. We can control when to start or stop sharpening. Automatic mode. You can set sharpening meters numbers and sharpening time. Scrum menu. You need to stop operating if there is an emergency situation. Press Scrum button. Dextro Scrum button to the right. You can start the machine again. Power indicator is on the above. Equipment operation. First, close the power switch. Determine whether the Scrum switch is open. Lifting height to match the height of the production line. Starting air pump. Make pressure over 0.4 MPa, regulating the width of paper cutting and creasing. Open paper cutting switch and choose manual or automatic mode. In the process of production, appear overall copper cutting deviation. It's okay to adjust to right or left. Appear rough edge, just start sharpening blade. If emergency, you just need to press Scrum button. Computer settings. Language interface, Chinese mode and English mode. Sharpening settings. Press Enter Setup Sharpening. Press Set key to set up parameters. Press Enter to complete settings. Speed coefficient setting. Press Enter to start setup. Remember meters pictures. This picture records the information of accumulated processing paper meters. Don't need settings. If you need to record again, please click Hint to operate it. automatic sharpening. Press the button of automatic sharpening, and according to clue operation, computer will automatic sharpening. Minimum RPM. After equipment automatic tracking, line pressing can be slow RPM rotation under the situation of no paper. Convenient to put paper in. Maintenance information. Before starting, check the machine parts are in good conditions. Notice running circumstance. If the machine doesn't operate properly, abnormal sound or quick, stop immediately to check and repair. When the machine is running, first check sharpening pneumatic pressure. Alloyed blade can't exceed 3.5 kg. Ordinary blade can't exceed 4 kg, or it will damage the blade and the grinding wheel. After work, the machine should be cleaned. Ensure the oil in machine and lubricating oil is sufficient.